Open enrollment for health insurance coverage through CoverMe has started today. In order to have coverage by the start of the next year, you must sign up before December 15th. Open enrollment will end January 16th. After open enrollment, only those who experience a life event qualifies them for a special enrollment period. As in previous years, if you already have a marketplace plan, you will be automatically re-enrolled in your current plan or the most similar offering from your health insurance carrier.